So is this going to be hindrance or assistance to the, you mentioned in your talk earlier, the one currency of the government by Israel. So is this is a hindrance or is it assistance?
Did you hear the question? Whether Brexit is positive or negative? Whether Brexit is beneficial for Britain or not? There is an eschatological dimension to the analysis which supersedes the economic and the monetary. The monetary is the euro, okay? The three parts of the shadow. Intalico ila zillin zi thalasi shu'ab. Three parts. And after the three parts of the shadow, then of course, there will be no more shadow. He who was causing the shadow will appear in person. That's Dajjal. This is my interpretation, and you should not accept my interpretation ever until you're convinced that I'm correct, okay? So I say, this is my book, Jerusalem in the Quran, which was written about 18 years ago. I recognize the first stage of the shadow to be Dajjal's Yawmun Kasana, a day like a year. And Britain emerges as a ruling state in the world, Pax Britannica. You cannot offer a political explanation for Pax Britannica to explain why it has emerged. There is no such explanation. None. Pax Britannica emerged out of a vacuum. Okay? We say that this is Dajjal's first stage, and he creates Britain as a ruling state, ruling the seas. There was no air at that time. And then this special relationship between Britain and the Holy Land was established, with, for example, the Balfour Declaration, and General Allenby leading the British Army to conquer Jerusalem, etc. And the sterling pound as the international currency and so on. And then followed the next stage of the shadow, which is Pax Americana, a Yawmun Kashahr, a day like a month. And the United States emerges as the next ruling state in the world. And we say, this is our eschatology, that this is not happening by accident, that there is an explanation for it. And only eschatology can offer the explanation. And that is that Pax Britannica and Pax Americana emerged in order to pave the way for Pax Judaica. They don't understand this in Gaza with Hamas and these fellows. They don't understand this. Pax Judaica could not come into being without a Pax Americana and a Pax Britannica. And so there is a kind of an umbilical cord binding Britain with the United States. Britain doesn't have that umbilical cord in Europe. Britain is more a part of an Atlantic alliance than a European alliance. Brexit was meant to disengage Britain in some way from the European embrace in order to reposition Britain with its primary alliance across the Atlantic. Yes.